Hey guys, welcome back to Yalan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix E5 error on Treadmill. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. There's a few things you need to do here to probably solve this issue. First is you need to identify the error. So an E5 error usually happens when the treadmill's console can't receive a speed signal. This often means the speed sensor isn't aligned with the front magnet and can't detect the rotation. Now, in this case, you need to inspect the speed sensor here. First, locate the sensor. Find the speed sensor near the motor or front roller. Now, ensure the sensor is free from dust or debris that could obstruct it. Now, next you want to do is you want to reset the treadmill. Turn off and unplug. So switch off the treadmill and unplug it from the power source. Now, wait for a few minutes, then plug the treadmill back in and turn it on to see if the error is resolved. Now, next you want to do is you want to inspect the wiring. Now, inspect the wiring for any damages and make sure all connections are secure. Verify the treadmill software is up to date. If there are any issues or if there are issues, you might need a professional help to fix software bugs. If the error still occurs after these steps, reach out to the manufacturer's customer support for further assistance. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yalan app. Thank you for watching.